kasama. Ikaw ang magsasabing kaya mo to, tulad ng isang tanglaw sa gitna ng bagyo. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Whoa!
Happy birthday, Vice President Gibbs. God bless and more birthdays to come. Mabuhay, Kuya Miguel.
Kuya Miguel, happy birthday. Wishing you a very special birthday. Your 50th birthday. May God bless you. Good health, wealth, and prosperity in life. Happy birthday.
Kuya Migs, happy birthday po. Happy 50th birthday. Thank God, umabot tayo ng 50 years old, no? Tapos, more birthdays to come po. Wishing you all the best. Good health, at the same time, happiness po. Continuous happiness sa darating pa ng mga years natin, Kuya. Thank you so much for the brotherhood, for the companionship. Thank you so much for being there. So, God bless po and peace out.
Kuya Migs, happy birthday!
Happy birthday po! Wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday!
In a world that spins with silver and gold, we chase the dreams that we've been sold. But when the glitter fades to dust, it's the ones we love who earn our trust. Money can't buy the laughter or the tears, can't replace the love we've built over the years. In the heart of family, we find our worth, sharing love and culture on this earth.
Kuya Migs, happy birthday! God bless you and more birthdays to come.
Kuya Migs, happy birthday. Sana malasing mo kami. At saka good health. At saka huwag kang magbago, ha? Sige.
Mabuhay ang agila!
Mabuhay!
Cheers to fraternal brother Kuya Migs. Happy 50th birthday. You're not old, you're just classic. Wishing you a birthday filled with happiness, good health, and success. Happy birthday.
Good day, Kuya Miguel. Wish ko lang, Kuya, pagpatuloy mo lang yung magandang pakikisama, pakikitungo sa ating mga kuya at ate at sa ibang tao. Wishing you good health. Sana yung mga plano mo sa buhay ay matutupad. And of course, wag mong kalimutan na palagi magdasal sa ating puong may kapal. Kasi walang imposible kung nananalangin tayo sa ating Panginoon. Kuya, advance Happy New Year. Once again, happy birthday.
Those were the best days of my life.
Kuya Migs. Isang maligayang pagbati sa golden birthday celebration mo sa araw na to. Pasensya ka na sa outfit ko at ako'y nasa isang malamig na lugar ngayon at nagpapamassage. Si Kuya Dicky baka anong maisip kung siya may nanonood sa video na to. Huwag kayong mag-alala at nasa maayos akong kalagayan. At sa oras na yung time kasi na sinabihan ako para magbigay ng isang message birthday is kasalukuyan nandito ako sa spa. Kaya Kuya Migs, wish you all the best. Enjoy lang ang buhay. More blessings and of course good health and God bless to your family. Maging masaya ka lang. Gusto ko rin sanang maka-attend sa birthday mo pero hindi ko magawa dahil nga andito ako sa Manila ngayon at medyo malayo na ulit ang assignment. Baka siguro pag nagkataon at next year makauwi ako dyan sa ika-51st mo, di pwede. Para sa iyo ang unang higop ng shabu-shabu na to, Kuya Migs. Again, happy birthday. God bless to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Migs. Wishing you good health, happiness, and many blessings in life. Sana'y maging masaya ang araw mo at sana'y manasing mo kami. Enjoy! At sagot mo na ang inuman. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around.
Dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi. Dahil iyong narinig mula sa labig ko. Salamat.
I am an eagle. Let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts be proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly.